Gabriela Silang was a Filipino revolutionary leader best known for her role as the female leader of the Ilocano independence movement from Spain. Gabriela Silang was known for her bravery, resilience, and determination. She demonstrated strong leadership qualities, especially after the death of her husband, Diego Silang, taking on a pivotal role in the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule. Silang's leadership inspired others to join the resistance movement, and her legacy continues to be celebrated in the Philippines as a symbol of courage and patriotism. Gabriela Silang's impact on Philippine history and culture is significant. As a prominent female leader in the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule, she challenged traditional gender roles and stereotypes, demonstrating that women could play roles in shaping the destiny of their nation. Her bravery and leadership inspired others to join the fight for independence. Silang's legacy continues to inspire Filipinos, particularly women, to advocate for their rights and participate in movements for social change. She symbolizes the resilience and determination of the Filipino people in their struggle for freedom and self-determination. Silang's contributions to Philippine history and culture are commemorated through monuments, memorials, and celebrations honoring her life and achievements. Her efforts contributed to the inspiration and continuation of the Filipino fight for independence.